I spoke about Mr. DUALE a long time ago, but people just did not understand me. They thought that I'm fighting the Somalis. Yes, I'm fighting Somalis, but not Kenyan Somalis. We have Kenyan Somali, they have Somali of the Kenyan origin, and we have Somalis of the Somali origin. My case here is not about the Somali of Kenyan origin. I am dealing with the Somali of Somali origin, where DUALE's brother resides, and where they have been conducting the activities, the illegal activities, illegal importation, illegal immigrant. You see, he has been boasting around and saying now they have the numbers to make sure that they can defeat the Kikuyus, that the Kikuyus now, they should shut up. This is DUALE. Look at the scandal that he has now, because he's been looking for money to do the mobilization that you intend, that you need to intend to raise the number of how many people, how many voters, about 3 million voters who will vote for you. Remember, these people are just messing up with you. I told you there are people you don't joke around with. You don't fight them, because nobody has ever been able to fight them. Yes, they have tried. The Mzungu tried to fight the Kikuyus. This was not able. Moi was there to fight the Kikuyus. This was not able. You are here now again to fight them. You can't make it. Moi had time of 24 years. He was not able to do it. The Mzungus were here. They never thought that they would go, but they went. These are things that you don't need to antagonize. You don't need to fight them. You need to settle down and find a solution. And this is why Kikuyus voted for you, because they thought you are mature enough, you are educated, you are mature, you are educated, and you seemed to understand the politics of this nation. So they thought that by putting you in place, you would bring a negotiating table. You bring these people together, Kenyans and versus Kikuyu, because at some point, Kenyans are different from Kikuyus.